Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And this one, okay, not so much on portrait photography specifically, could be taken into other genres, I expect, but I just want to talk about taking it easy on ourselves, giving ourselves a little bit of a break. So let's get into it. Okay, we all know and we're all well aware that this year has been a bit shit. Let's be real. It's been challenging, frustrating. There's a lot of worry, a lot of anxiety around what's happened so far and the unknown about what may happen next as well. And I think it's too easy and potentially a bit dangerous as well to get stuck, red rag to a bull, stuck in the mindset of I'm just going to plow on, I'm going to continue working, I'm just going to focus on continue working, do the work, and not take a moment to step back, understand, the struggles that have been going on, and be that in business, your personal life, whatever it may well be, and give yourself a little bit of a break from trying to plow on and trying to plow through and struggle through things. It may not sound good at the moment for you to kind of down tools and just stop working and give yourself a couple of days, a week, or whatever it may well be to recuperate. But I think many of us need to do that. It's not that we don't realize we need to do it. I just think we don't let ourselves do it often enough, guilty as charged. I'm starting to feel frustration, rods, pistons blowing, you name it. So I need to take a bit of time to chill, relax. Maybe that's doing nothing. Maybe that's doing something different. I don't know. I'm not going to stop making videos or anything like that. I'm not going to stop photography or anything like that. But I guess this is a message to myself more than anything, but try to learn to take some time to relax, to switch off, to refocus, recharge, give yourself a break. If things haven't been going well this year, obviously the pandemic and things like that, that's one thing, but if you've been struggling otherwise in photography, struggling otherwise in business, things get into you in day-to-day life, it's difficult sometimes to do, but try to take stock of that, try to realize what's going on, realize where it's starting to make you lose it a little bit maybe, and recognize that, okay, I need to give myself a bit of time just to catch my breath, relax, refocus. You can start to analyze and look at things that haven't worked and why, and try to fix them and move forward later. I think it's important to actually take a breather, take a break, and refocus. It's been a really trying year. No one knows what's coming around the corner, but we need to recognize when we're struggling. So hands up. Okay, but not in a brilliant place. So I need to recognize that I need to take some time to chill, relax, recuperate, more often than I do, definitely. So I'm putting a couple of things in place to do so. And I think it's just important to recognize that. And also, if you're struggling with something, not just in photography or otherwise, but anyway, but about, say, the business of it, or if you're struggling with what's been going on this year, many others are doing or going through the same. So reach out to people, even people who you may not know. Start up a conversation. Who knows, you may hit it off and you may be able to support each other through something like that. And don't be afraid to put your hand up, realize that shit's going a bit downhill, I need some help. I am a nightmare for not realizing that or admitting that. So again, talking to myself, don't be afraid to reach out, don't be afraid to ask for help, be it via, this channel, some other platform, or just friends, family, colleagues, whatever it may well be. Right, bit of a serious kind of message. I don't know, but it's just, I think we need to take stock and realise that it's difficult enough, let alone without putting added pressure on yourself of trying to plough through, or try and carry on, take another step, take another step, take another step, take another step. There's a risk that you'll stop, collapse, and completely crumble, burn out, and you want to try and avoid that. Been there, done that too many fucking times. Anyway, this is the family show. Behave. Right, so let me know your thoughts below. Are you struggling with anything in particular? Do you need to realise, like I do, to stop and take a bit of a breather and a bit of a break sometimes? Or have you got a solution or a process or something that you've added or changed that's helped you deal with things that have been going on and move forward? You never know, it may actually help somebody else. Right, enough seriousness. We'll get back to portrait stuff next. Right, next video. Yeah.